If you've been shopping for kitchen cabinets, you've probably heard the term wood veneer and wood laminate, and they sound similar, but they're actually very different. One is made from real wood, the other is manufactured finish, and each has its own strengths depending on your lifestyle, budget, and design goals. Today, I'm gonna break down the difference so you can choose the right material for your kitchen. If you're still choosing between different kitchen materials, download my Ultimate Kitchen Cabinet Renovation Guide. It walks you through cabinet types, materials, and finish options for every budget. Wood veneer versus wood laminate. What's the difference? So today I'm gonna tell you guys what the difference between a wood veneer and a wood laminate door is. So let's start off with wood veneer. What is a wood veneer? Wood veneer is a very thin slice piece of wood that manufacturers kind of slice down real nice. It's almost about the thickness of this paper here. Why do they do that? Because if they do a solid door, basically you start getting warpage, you can start getting the wood to move. Wood's gonna do what it naturally does, it moves. So manufacturers started doing wood veneers to place them on doors to basically not have that effect and not have that problem of basically shifting and moving around. Wood veneers are amazing. I truly do like wood veneers because you still get the naturalness of the wood, you get a more consistent grain, you get a more cleaner kind of look. But if you do still love the wood, you still get grain, you still get the movement, so you still get that nice crazy wood grain like a walnut or something like with a lot of knots. So that's always cool if you still like the wood veneers. Still natural, still have the options of doing different stains. That's another thing. You get to do different stains. You could do a light stain, you could do a dark stain, you could do a medium stain on the wood, and then just have it kind of finished with a little polyurethane or a clear coat lacquer finish or whatever your manufacturer is doing. So why I like the wood veneers is just because it's very consistent, it still looks natural, and it still looks good. So what I have here is a white oak kind of light stain. You still get to see the movement of the door, you still get to see the grain. Here you get another one that's more of a riff white oak. Now what I like about this manufacturer, what they did is, this is actually a veneer, but what they do on their edges is they actually put solid wood on the edges. This is a manufacturer by the name of Crystal, and Omega Cabinetry still do this. They do a very thin slice of wood, do the wrap around. This company here, they basically did what is a very small, thin edge tape. Still good, still looks great. The edge looks amazing. So you can't go wrong with either one. Depends on the manufacturer. When it comes to cost, you're gonna end up paying a little more than this one, just because you do get that about an 1/8, 16 thick wood edge. Another one that I have here is an eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is more of an exotic kind of wood. You don't get to see this that often, but if you're brave enough to do this in your kitchen, I would do it. Look at this. This is a beautiful grain. So if you're brave and want to dare and go all out and do something crazy in your kitchen, eucalyptus, can't go wrong with that. So now let's jump into what is a laminate. A laminate basically is not real. It's not real wood. It's a laminate, kind of like a picture print that they done, but they do such a good job that it looks almost like real wood. Here I have a walnut laminate. It looks pretty real. The advantages of this is that it's basically scratch resistance. You could almost hit it, doesn't do anything to it, and it's more consistent. So if you want something that's very consistent, you don't want to see crazy movement, a laminate is the way to go. They do nice colors when it comes to laminate. You get something like this, done by Fabuwood, where you do get nice grain kind of following. They do the grain match on some of the doors. If you request it, could do it on wood veneer as well. But the thing about this is that this will last you a lot longer. It is more durable. It holds up very well, more than veneer. So laminate, you can't go wrong with it, but it's your choice at the end of it. So when it comes to appearance, the laminates do have kind of a look that almost looks a little fake as opposed to a real wood. Laminates kind of give you this appearance that it's kind of fake, kind of is. But when you go with a wood veneer, you are getting a true wood. So it might be a thin slice of wood, but it is real. In a laminate, it's not real, but it looks as good. Now let's talk about durability. Which one's gonna last you? Which one's gonna last you for many years? Laminate is gonna last you for a very long time. It's gonna withstand more. So if you have family, you have pets, you have kids that are gonna basically hit your cabinets, you got your pets that are gonna scratch it, I would definitely go with a laminate. Why? It's gonna withstand a lot more than a wood veneer. In a laminate, it could withstand a little hit, it could withstand scratches, so it'll last you a little longer. The only disadvantage of this is that people don't like is that it's laid up on particle board. That's the bad thing about it. which it really isn't. It's eco-friendly, so it does last a long time and helps the environment out, is what they basically call a TFL. Could talk about that later on another video. But if you do like it, more durability, it's gonna last you a lot longer. If you go with a veneer, the veneer doors aren't bad. They basically have a little more maintenance. You still have to take care of it. It's still real wood. There's special finishes of cleaning that you gotta use. Something like this, I always recommend people to use some kind of fruit oil, like an orange oil, lemon oil to clean this. There's special cleaners out there to clean this. So you still have to take care of it. You still have to basically maintain it. You gotta be careful with it, because if you do scratch it, you will scratch this finish. The laminate, you basically don't have to. You could basically clean it with almost anything that you got. You could use a Windex, you could use soap and water, you could use almost anything to clean this. It's not gonna damage it. So those are the biggest things that are the difference when it comes to veneer and laminate. Hopefully you guys like that. Let's talk about price. What's the biggest difference when it comes to cost, and where does it sit? When you go with a veneer, you're gonna sit at a little more higher tier level when it comes to cost. You're talking maybe about 15 to 20%, a little more than the laminate door. Now, what's the difference? Reason for that? Because it's still real wood. That's why the budget's a little more, it's still a little more expensive to go with a veneer door. But if you're on a budget and you want your kitchen just to still look amazing, there's nothing wrong with going with a laminate. This still does look amazing. It looks really, really good. I personally do like the laminates just because I have kids and my kids like tearing everything apart. So I'd rather put laminate in my kitchen because it's gonna withstand a little longer. I'm gonna be able to leave it alone. If it gets dirty, easier to clean. Don't get me wrong, I would put this probably in my bathroom. I know it's moisture. What they do nowadays with the veneer, it's moisture resistance. So the MDF that they use is very moisture resistant. So you could put it in your bathroom. You don't have to worry about getting swelling. You don't have to worry about getting damaged. But if you wanna showcase that nice vanity, you could either go with a vertical grain or you could go with a horizontal grain. And if you find yourself a good company, they'll charge you about 15% more where it's a grain match. Follow that all the way through. I bet you it would look amazing. But if you are on a budget, can't go wrong with laminate. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with your kitchen renovation, check out our paint it versus stain. Which is better for your kitchen? It breaks down what's worth paying for and where you can save without sacrificing style.